Hi, I'm Cast Iron Katie. In this video, I am breaking out the waffle iron. My waffle iron, it says that it is patented 1925. It's one of my favorite pieces of cast iron that I own. It's in 3 pieces. This is the base. It's got a little seat right here for rotating, and it has these 2 plates. And it makes waffles. So today we are going to try waffling lentil loaf and meatloaf. If you've not seen those videos, I cook lentil loaf and meatloaf in a Dutch oven along with some fingerling potatoes. Go back and watch that video. It's a good one. I have to preheat this cast iron. So I have broke out my trusty rusty camping stove to work my cast iron on. I will preheat on each side 3 minutes, and then after that we'll try to figure out waffling meatloaf. My waffle iron has preheated with 3 minutes on both sides, so it's in waffle temperature quality. I turned it down because I hate burnt food. So I'm going to give myself a couple tries at this. Let's see here, we'll do it this way. Alright, I'm going to form a patty, and with batter, you know, it just spreads out, but whenever I've used doughs on the waffle iron, I gotta have some help from my spatula to get it to smush down. Okay, smash it a little bit. And there. You'll see it teeters a little bit, but smush it down. Okay. We'll let that go. I'm just gonna guess 2 minutes. 2 minutes on each side. Let's see what that does. Okay, the lentil loaf waffle has cooked for 2 minutes on each side, and it smells amazing. I keep saying, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. Out of there. Ooh. Don't really have to worry about like doneness with lentil because it was cooked yesterday. I'm sure it's warm all the way through. Yeah. I'm gonna make the other one, then I'm gonna switch over to the meatloaf one. I am switching over now to the meatloaf waffle. I think I'm going to cook this one a little longer than the lentil one, just to make sure that it gets done-ish. I mean, you can always have a rare hamburger. I prefer mine rare, but see how done we can get it. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. Smush this down. Right. Give it a, I don't know, 2.5, 3 minutes on each side. We'll see how it turns out. I cooked the meatloaf for about 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side. It was about 5 minutes total. And it smells so good. Oh my gosh. Hey, put that right there for now. And I just want to see how done it is. See how well it cooked. Oh yeah, how about that? Trying to hit it in the thickest parts. Yeah, got it done. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna make the second one now. This waffle video, waffle experiment, has been the most successful so far. This is so good. In fact, just get your kitchen waffle maker out and waffle some meatloaf. You can do a meatloaf sandwich I have here. I've got this one with the lentil loaf and some mashed potatoes. It's pretty much just like a hamburger made with meatloaf, but it's waffled. It's so much fun. So this has been so much fun. I'm so glad that we did this. It's kind of weird, but really good. So thanks so much for watching.